So patient is age of 29. So when we talk about conservative, what we mean by conservative? Conservative means we try to do minimal, giving the confidence, and also we are preparing just in case he goes on a future progressive hair loss, he'll be able to do another hair transplant, or we'll be able to cover it naturally, so that we are safe in our procedures when we are approaching quite a young patient like 29 years old. So a very conservative hairline done. So you can see temporal angles, focusing on that. Nothing this side, not necessary. It's got beautiful natural temporal points, so do not want to go in unnecessary transplant inferior. And if you look here, there's plenty of hair there, so his main concern is just the front here, as his progressive hair loss receded his hairline. So just like this, fill up here, fill up in between, fill up here in between, and he look really good 1 year down the road. I'd like to thank patient for this video, and I'd like to thank patient for supporting Clinic Dr Inder and the team to do the procedure. I'd like to thank my patient all the way from Langkawi, Kedah, to come here especially to do his hair restoration at Clinic Dr Inder with Dr Inder and the team. Thank you so much.